Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm getting ready to vlog and have a great day. Here's Mom.
Hey y'all.
And we're about to head to Starbucks now, and it's also the Bath & Body Works candle sale, so that's where we're headed.
Yay.
It's a happy Friday. So let's get into it.
Yay. Oh, I should say that one day.
You can say it.
Let's get into it. Did I do it right, guys? What the hell is that flying in front of your car?
That's what I'm saying. There's too much wildlife out here.
That's the thing you were running from.
See, I knew it was doing the most.
That's him. Oh, y'all, Meg live out in the woods, child.
I'm not living out here any longer. Okay, well, until April.
I've never seen it look like that. That was crazy.
That looked like a giant flying spider.
Well, he did have some long legs. Are we still on camera?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay. I'll see you guys when we get to Starbucks.
Bath and Body Works candles, here we come.
That smells like big red.
Does it? Oh, let me smell that.
It's like light though.
Ooh, I do like that. I do like that.
That one for Christmas?
Maybe, because the cinnamoniness is nice.
Right. Okay guys, so we're back to the car from Bath & Body Works, and I think me and Mom both got 9 candles each. So these are hers and then these are mine, I think. So yay. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, y'all.
Hey guys, so we're back from Chewy's, and I put on my robe so I can take my photo I forgot to take when I filmed the self-care video. So here's my little ring light. There's Mom.
Hey,
she's gonna take the photo of me. Normally I would just use my tripod, and then I set this back up. Alright, so I'm still wearing the robe from earlier when I was taking the photo. I should have put my clothes back on, but it's just so comfy. So I've literally just been sitting here. I posted a video today. It was actually the self-care one where I'm wearing this exact robe. Wow. It's that one. So go check it out if you haven't already. But Mom wanted some cookies because she saw them in my fridge. These ones from Pillsbury. It's got the cute little Pillsbury Doughboy on them. And the actual cookies themselves have Christmas trees on them. So they're kind of festive. Yeah, obviously I've eaten half the pack. Just ignore that. But I'm about to make us some cookies. And yeah, it's super simple because they're just these ones. I'm not like making the dough or anything. Here are the cookies.
Yes, cookies.
What?
Put the camera on you.
You want it? They want you to see you too.
What y'all want to see me for? Oh, goodness. Let me get all the cookies, y'all. Well, they hot.
Yeah, just cook them out the oven.
Y'all, she's so sweet. She baked me fresh cookies. Y'all just ignore this little fat roll, okay?
Aren't they good? Okay, man. See, I told you they're little baby cookies.
These are good.
Only took 12 minutes.
That's not bad. You're gonna make me some like special hot cocoa.
You want hot cocoa?
Okay, we can do that another day.
I mean, I got it.
I want boozy hot cocoa.
I can spike it with some moonshine.
Oh yeah. Y'all see how she be doing me?
No, wait.
Trying to have me messed up.
I feel like moonshine
Y'all.
in the hot. No, that might be a bit much.
Show y'all for me.
I'm eating my leftovers and then making a to-do list to stay on track for the rest of the weekend with like the content and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Mom is still here too. She's helping me because she's the best mom ever.
I try, y'all. I try so hard. She be stressing me out.
We're going to take the trash out, you guys.
Yay.
I dragged Mom along.
Hopefully Charlotte and her friends ain't out here because you know me it crazy, y'all.
Are you kidding? Let's close the door so they don't come in.
You see? Y'all see how she be acting? Let's see how y'all deal with her. Get me at work, y'all. Quack, 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 quack. Y'all, that's that. Y'all see him right there? He was trying to kill her earlier. Look how creepy he looks. She gonna be mad that I even got him on film. Don't do that. Look at me working, y'all. You always gotta celebrate.
Is it cold?
A little bit. Can we come out? Cause I'm freezing.
My bad. Okay.
Y'all see how she be doing me?
So I finished taking out the trash. I'm just sitting on the other side of my couch right now. Oh, look, you can see the reef and the stocking. But I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got today. So first, we went to Ari. It's just real quick. I got just some bras. There's nothing really fancy to show because they're just bras, but I got like a brown one. I've never had like a brown like chocolate bra, so I'm excited about that. I also got a bralette that I'm excited about, and then I also got a gray bra. So just some basics because I really mainly only have lounge bras, and all three of those were about $90 because they were on sale. So I was excited about it because sometimes bras can get kind of expensive. So, all right. So at Bath & Body Works, I spent, the total is $101.48. So before tax, it was $92, and it said my total discount, the amount I saved, was $136. So I'm super pumped. I got 9 candles. I almost feel like I should have got 12 because they come in these little things. You see? And so I have 3 open spaces right here, and this little section, in this one, it's full, so it's all 6. So I got 9 total, so I'm just gonna tell you the scents really quick because I kind of want to see what I got because I honestly don't remember. And then also, like, you might want to know what candles I got. So I got a stress relief candle, which is one of my absolute favorites. It's got like the eucalyptus smell. The next one I got was Mountain Teak Wood. I liked this one because it's kind of like a festive candle and it gives like the teak wood vibes. I also got Mahogany Coconut. So that one's like a kind of lighter version of like the Mahogany Teak Wood, which is one of my favorites. It's just like a little sweeter, so that's really nice too. And then I also got the Mahogany Teak Wood High Intensity. which is one of my absolute favorites. Yes. That's one of my faves. And then I got a berry spritzer. Ooh, that smells really good. I mainly got this one because it's got the flannel look to it, but it smells like berries and other stuff, so I like that. I also got linen sheets. Sometimes you just want like a fresh laundry smell, and I liked it, so I was excited about that one. And then the last three, I got Christmas cider because I wanted to get, you know, some festive candles. Ooh, that one smells good. It gives me like cinnamon kind of, I guess it does kind of smell like cider, but it also kind of almost has like a light vanilla smell to it too. So that one's nice. And then eucalyptus snowfall. I liked this one because it kind of gives me the eucalyptus vibes, but a little bit festive at the same time. So that was a nice one. And then also the fresh balsam. I don't know how you say that. But that's another festive one. It smells really good. So, oh, it's got eucalyptus in it too. So yeah, those were all of my 9 candles. Did I get 9 different candles? That's crazy. Usually I double them up. I'll usually get 2 stress relief ones and 2 mahogany teak woods. So honestly, if I'm feeling up to it, I may go back tomorrow and get 3 more. Just because I kind of want 12, so that way it's like I can have 1 a month for like the year, even though I might use more candles than that, but I don't know, I may not. I'll leave it at this because I've never bought this many candles. I usually for this sale get like maybe 3, and I always use them, and I'm like, dang, I need to get more next time. So that's why this time I was like, ooh, I like this one, put it in the cart. Ooh, I like this one, put it in the cart. So yeah, that was really good. So I have the suitcase right here. It has a few of the pieces that I took to Mom's house the other day to take photos in. So I'm just kind of putting everything back on the clothing rack so I can actually try it on for the actual try on haul. Some of the items I still haven't tried on at all, but some of them I have, and I've actually like worn the outfits, some of them as well. So like this little sweatsuit I've worn and I really like it, so. All right, so I'm in my laundry room because I want to wash a load of clothes. So let me just, this thing is always so high up. Okay, so I'm turning on Netflix and I'm gonna watch Selling Sunset. I'm back watching that again because the new season is out. Netflix. And this tea, I never usually drink it that much, but I found it in my cabinet, so I'm just gonna drink it tonight just because I kind of want some tea. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. And then later tonight, I'll edit a little bit more for the Vlogmas video that's gonna go up tomorrow. All right, you guys. So It's getting a lot later now, and I've been watching TV a little bit. I edited some more. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Let me know down in the comments below if you like Bath and Body Works and if you went to the candle sale. Let me know if you're feeling like kind of festive this year or not so much, maybe later. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.